Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel CAD NEST. Myself Allauddin here. I am a CAD engineer in a CAD NEST. Today I am just going to teach you about here in a new software, that is Revit. In Revit we are going to make the what is a user interface of in Revit here. So before starting the Revit here, so I'm just going to set this what is a user defined fields of this user interface here. So now here you can see this one. So this is a welcome screen of an Revit here. So in welcome screen of an Revit you can see this a particular project file, and we are a family file, and we are having one template file. See, project file is nothing but whatever the project we are going to create, and it is this recent project, all the recent project is showing here, and it is showing this family files also. Now see this whatever the family is nothing but creating of door, window, furniture, component, trees, light, everything. So comes under the families here. So whatever the recent families we have created, now it is showing here. So that is called family file. Next it is a template file. Template file is nothing but, so we are going to create project as well as family. Both the files we are going to create under the template here. So now we are having a different templates here, like construction, architecture, structural and mechanical. So now we are going to use an architectural template. Why? Because we are going to make a designing in this one. That's why I'm just going to take this one as an architectural template. If I open this architectural template, so regarding architecture, all the tools will get appear here. So now you can see this one first option called application menu. In application menu you can see this one as a new, open, save as, export, import, publish, print, everything. See, in each software it is having an application menu. If I go to AutoCAD software, TDX Max, any other basic software, computer basic software, Tally, Excel, anything if you take here, it will show like same thing, like open, new, save as, like we are going to export, import, like that we are going to do by using the application menu. Next here you can see this is a tool access bar. Tool access bar also, in this one we are having a save, undo, redo, publish, plot, dimension, text, 3D, everything. And in this one is a project title. Whatever the project we have taken, that project name will shows here, that is called project title bar. And here this is in information center. Any information if you are required any regarding any tool, you can search from this. Make sure that you have to connect with internet, okay, then only it will show the information here. Now it will just it will show the sign up of an Autodesk. Okay, if you have signed up to this one, then it will show the account, or else it won't show. So next here it is the main tools here. So this is all main tools. So under the main tool, and architectural is the main tool here. Now you can see the main tool like wall, door, window, component, roof, ceiling, curtain, wall, steering, everything. By using this tools only we are going to make a 3D models. After that you can see this one as a project browser, and this is properties. So in the project browser we are having a floor plan, ceiling plan, elevation plan. So this floor plan is whatever the floor plan we are going to do. Here you can see in the floor plan, this is a ceiling plan and elevation. Elevation is nothing but, now you can see the directions, symbols here, that is north, south and west, east, west direction. So that one will call as an elevations here. And you can see in the properties, is nothing but whatever the information you want, or information you wanted to make and changes, anything if you wanted to changes in that. So we are just going to make in a properties, that is called property dialog box. Now you can see this one as a workspace is nothing but whatever the project we are going to do, that one will call as a workspace here. So here you can see the symbol, this symbol indicate that one is an elevation symbol. You can see this 2D steering wheel. In the 2D steering wheel you can make a pan moving from one place to another. Zoom, you can make zoom and zoom out. Rewind means previous one, if you want you can make. This is 2D steering wheel. Why it is showing in a 2D steering wheel means because we are in a rectangle, that is in a top view, that's why it's showing in a 2D. If you go to 3D, it will show 3D steering wheel also. And you can see the zoom out, everything here from this. Zoom fit to all, zoom all, like that, zoom in region, which one you want to, that particular zoom you want, you can make. Again, if you want to take back to the exactly position, then you can take this one as a zoom to fit. If I take this one, now it will come here. So that is a user interface of an Revit architecture. So thank you for watching. Like our video, subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching.